Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have TECNO Phantom V flip and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to take long screenshot is opening application which support it. It can be Google Chrome settings, something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after that tap on this first icon. And now it is scrolling and adding more information. When we have all we need, we must tap on screen to stop scrolling and confirm it by done. And after processing, we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery when we press this icon. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!